Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap.
Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Hey, look, you see, the drip is behind me. Yeah, we looking trippy. Hey, but I got one hand today, but I don't have all the drip on, but I got the Adidas drip on. Got my 60BaeGrey shirt on. Okay. Let's take a look at the drip. Drip check. Okay. We got the Adidas pants. And then we got the Adidas shoes. No cap. Okay. We got that. We got it. Okay. All right. I hope you can see it. All right. But look, got a couple things I want to do. First thing, I got the key in my hand. So you know what that means. We're going to do a cold start for you. So you just press the button in the center 2 times. Boom, boom. Hey, I don't know if that translates over to where you're at, but that joint was live, no cap. All right, we're going to turn it off. Hit the unlock button. Okay, we flexing on you now. No cap. Look at 60BaeGrey, the real champ. Let's go. Hey, look, I wanted to drop in real quick. The next video you get ready to see is about Tanzania, okay? I went there on vacation to Tanzania and Dubai. The video that I just uploaded was just a little nice fun video about Dubai. This was a nice fun video about Tanzania. So we were in Dar es Salaam, we were in Bukoba, and we were in Zanzibar. All those places were in Tanzania. So it's just a nice little fun video. Something lightweight for the viewers, no cap. We just having fun. We trying to catch a vibe already. We in the vibe. We caught the vibe and we choking it up. We squeezing every little bit out of it, no cap. So, hey, it's 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Enjoy the video, comment, like, subscribe. And you're going to meet one of my friends, Team Impeacher. We went to Tanzania with a couple of our friends and family members. So, and their family members. So anyway, we had a good time. Like I said, this is not a documentary. This is just a fun clip. They heard about 60BaeGrey, the legend of 60BaeGrey. They want to find out what are you on. I'm trying to tell you what I'm on. Now I'm trying to put y'all on. Okay. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. One more time for the people. Let's go. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. No cap. Okay, your boy right here. Go ahead, tell him.
60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap.
Okay. Hey, we in Tanzania, turn it up with your boy. Okay.
You are now listening to Anyway Well.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got it stacked right here.
Hey, 60BaeGrey, real drip, no cap. Hey, look.
Mr. Penguin, take my picture for live.
There we go.
No cow.
Tell him, 60BaeGrey.
Cow.
He's saying that in Swahili. All right, so we got a reaction a video for you guys. We in Tanzania, and tell them about your YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel, go to my YouTube channel and like Team Mapicha, and you'll get my all videos on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel to get your more info.
Okay.
This is how we do.
All right, so we're gonna put the link in the description below. Okay, so I'm here in Tanzania, and I'm here with one of the team members. But there he is. Say hi to the people.
Say hi.
So we put him on right there. So he get ready to play the song. We don't get the reaction.
Ooh,
and see it.
Amazing. No cow.
I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that. Fall back. I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Fall back. I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Step back. Dropping this heat, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them, 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got it stacked right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got it stacked right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell him 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lay. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you. So what you think about the song?
The song is very amazing and very hot, fantastic. Oh, amazing.
Okay.
No cap.
Okay. So you do YouTube videos, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's just one of the songs that I have. I have another one, but we'll do that another time. So hopefully he's gonna be able to do my editing. Y'all guys know that I don't like editing. I'm new to it. But we turned up in Tanzania, so give me your honest opinion about the song. Do you like it? Is it vibey? Is it fun? Tell me about the song.
The song is very, very right and very, very perfect. So this song is inspired the old man say no cap.
Okay.
Say, yeah.
Okay.
Amazing.
Well, actually, it took me about less than 24 hours to make the song, and so I didn't even have it for this YouTube channel.
Okay.
But I was doing something else, and then I just used it with driving with 60BaeGrey. So some of the people like it or what have you. But I'm glad you like the song. Okay, what you think about the song?
I think good, it's very hot, and I enjoy it.
Okay. These guys over here, ask them if they like the song.
It's going on.
Say hi! The song is good.
Yeah.
Amazing.
All right, so that's the reaction video. We're going to post it up. You're going to find it on his channel. You're going to find it on my channel.
Yes.
Y'all go to his channel, like, subscribe, comment, and share, okay?
Yeah.
He's doing a lot of good things, and, if you like how he's going to be editing my videos, I'll put this link in the description below. On the first video, he's going to edit for me. He may be doing this one.
Oh, make sure don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel of 6. But hey, comment and like. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to enjoy the show.
You got to tell him no cap.
Yeah, no cap.
There you go.
No cap. No cap.
All right. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the
No
real
cap.
drip. Hey, like you said, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Share. Turn your post notifications on. If you post notification white, that ain't right. Post notification black. It's supposed to be like that. No cap.
No
Hey,
cap.
we
No
out here. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. All you guys, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell him 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lay. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat. No cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat. No cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic,
Hello,
what?
Fendi.
No
How are you?
fun.
60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Come on.
Mama Mushala,
Yes.
come on now. Tell the people. Go ahead, tell the people what you want to tell them. What you want to tell them?
I'm gonna tell them the 60th grade, no drip, no cap, enjoy this visit in the Republic of Tanzania, United Republic of Tanzania, which is located in East Africa, by the way. We are very wonderful people, hospitable, and yeah, he had an experience. Oh, okay, he did have an experience. The African experience. That's what I have to say. No cap.
No cap. We live down here in Tanzania. No cap. 60BaeGrey, real drip. No cap.
They don't put me out.
Business.
Yeah.
Oh, that was me. My phone.
Okay.
I got it.
A lot of
Good to get over there.
narrow the line is
To the left.
narrow the line you can follow.
Yeah, there's some area which are flooded.
Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful.
That's beautiful. Look at that.
It looks like you got a river down
We're
there.
on the volcanic.
No, just the rain to come down. Rivers, we'll see it later on. Yeah, might see it.
That's good if you're tired. I just wanted to get that valley.
All
That land.
Get this coming around the circle.
Yep. That road used to cut in the middle, but they cut it off and made
Wow.
too many incidents. And
What? It used to cut down here?
It used to be too deep up.
It looks like it's something in the center. What's at the bottom?
Water.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
But it's dry season
It's
right now.
dry, right, yeah.
I thought it was like a
See the swamp?
stadium, coliseum. Yeah, because it goes down. So.
Rain season.
Yeah.